Comrades, I just want to explain to you how we plan to grow this economy to make life better for you and your families. And we are committed to returning the sacrifice that you have endured over the years so that you can get a benefit, so that we can ease the pressure of the cost of living, so that we can put more money back into your pockets so that you can support yourselves and your families. So the first way we are going to ensure growth in this economy is for once and for all tackling the inequities in our education system. One of the greatest impediments to growth is that we cannot find enough Jamaicans to fill the jobs that are there. Why? Because there are too many students who leave primary school and them can't read and write. So our commitment is to make the investments in basic and primary education so that every single child who leaves school can read, can write, and can do some arithmetic. And because we recognize the impediments, we are implementing the EASE program to ease the pressure on you, to ensure that every child in need gets at least one hot meal per day. That is why we are implementing the RIDE program to provide a subsidy of $2,500 per week, particularly for those of you in the rural areas, so that your children can go to school and you don't have to decide which day you're going to keep which child at home because you can't afford it.